This is an ABC 6 News breaking news alert.
Good evening, I'm Rachel Wick. We do apologize for interrupting Ellen. As we've learned within the last few hours, Olmsted County has declared a health emergency amid the COVID-19 pandemic. We're going to take you live now to the Olmsted County Government Center for an update on how our region is working to stop the spread of COVID-19.
In that services will change. We'll still be able to deliver most services that we deliver today, but some of our buildings out on campus will be closed to the public. Additionally, windows in property records and licensing here in this government center building will be closed, and we'll be working on methods of delivering those services in an alternate fashion, such as email, hard mail, drop boxes, telephone calls. We're doing that in order to protect the public from having to stand in long queues. As everybody knows by now, it's important for us to practice safe social distancing so that we can combat this virus. And it's very hard to do that when we have people in a very tight line waiting for a driver's license or packed into a lobby waiting for services. So this is first to protect the public, and second to protect our staff as well, to just stop the spread of this virus as quickly and as efficiently as we can.
Hi, Kevin Torgerson from the Sheriff's Office. We've got a few announcements to make as well. The Olmsted County Sheriff's Office is canceling, as of actually noon today, all on-site visiting for the detention center detainees. And that's basically, again, to try to prevent the spread of COVID-19 to any of our staff and to anyone else that's doing the visiting at the same time. So starting today, each detainee will receive one free remote visit per detainee per week through our provider, IC Solutions. Family members and friends can purchase 2 additional visits per day if they choose to do so. Then beginning tomorrow, the interior lobbies at both the Adult Detention Center and the Work Release Facility will be closed and locked in, again, prevention of the COVID-19 virus. Visitors will be able to attend or to contact the Adult Detention Center by using either phone or intercom inside the entryways of both facilities. And then lastly, the Law Enforcement Center side of the Sheriff's Office, the Civil Warrants Division counter will be closed, as well as today the Rochester Police Department closed the Records Division side of the office. Individuals who want to make contact with our staff, those divisions will still be open. It'll just be the doors, the windows that will be closed. There'll be contact information there to proceed further with whatever services they desire. I'm going to turn it over to Mark Ostrom, County Attorney.
Good afternoon, everybody. Mark Ostrom, Olmsted County Attorney. As I think everybody is probably aware, the Minnesota Supreme Court Chief Justice Gilday issued an order on Friday regarding the court operations. In conjunction with that order, we've been making a lot of changes upstairs with the number and types of hearings that are going on. There's been a lot of changes even in social distancing within the courtrooms and things like that. So we've been working pretty significantly around that court order and also around just our physical structure and making sure we're doing everything we to keep people safe. Like most offices, we've also changed our presence in the office. I have a number of folks that we have been able to have work remote and maintaining enough staff here in the office to make our court appearances and things like that. So generally, the courts obviously are going to remain open, but based on the Chief Justice's orders, there's been priorities assigned to different types of cases. Certain cases are just going to be continued for about 30 days or so to kind of get through this initial process, and then those types of cases will be rescheduled. For anybody that needs to or is supposed to be appearing in court in the next couple of days or next couple of weeks, please check the public calendars and make sure that your hearing hasn't been continued. Obviously, the courts and our office are fielding a lot of phone calls right now. We're doing our best to manage this. So on the civil side of the office, obviously, we're working pretty significantly to work with administration, public health, the sheriff's department, all these departments to kind of manage the various things that are happening. It's happening, literally changing by minute. So we're working pretty hard in conjunction with those folks as well. Thank you. Travis?
Good afternoon. My name is Travis Granzi. I'm the Community Corrections Director here in Olmsted County. Just a couple things I want to touch on real quick. The first one being the Juvenile Detention Center. Olmsted County has a Juvenile Detention Center. We have implemented a lot of similar policies that the Adult Detention Center has. We're no longer going to allow visitors. That will occur via phone. We are also limiting the number of intakes that we have. And at the same time, we've reduced our population just in an effort to make sure that we can contain the COVID-19 as much as possible in the facilities as well. The other thing I would like to mention is in regards to victim services. Please know that although access to our office will be limited as a result of the changes here at the Government Center, access to our staff won't be, and that our victim services crisis line will continue and be a 24/7 service just like it has been in the past. And then with our community corrections programming, we've made some modifications there, but we'll continue to work with our clients in some alternate ways. So thank you.
So once again, that was the live news conference from the Olmsted County Government Center, where law enforcement and other officials who work at the Government Center giving us an update on the types of closures happening, the amount of visitors that detainees can expect over the next few weeks. We do encourage you, if you have an appointment, basically anywhere across the state of Minnesota, whether it be at a nail salon, a hair salon, any place, please contact them, give them a phone call, check their websites, because things are changing very rapidly. Things are being canceled, and it's all to prevent the spread of COVID-19. In less than a half an hour, bars and restaurants across Minnesota will be closing to the general public, although delivery and takeout options are still being made available. Please help support these businesses during their time of need and your families in your neighborhood. We will, of course, have more updates on everything that's happening, including from the Olmsted County Government Center at 5 o'clock. For now, we return you to your normal program.